The importance of the action that FBW took cannot be underestimated. We went in there with three goals. The first goal was to make sure that the master deed that would be transferred to the City of Hoboken would include a conservation restriction that acknowledged that this land was actually acquired with open space money. The second goal was we had discovered that leases or sales of property that were acquired with open space money needed approval by the voters before they can be legitimate. And so we understood, because this particular lease was something that was approved by the court during an eminent domain proceeding and the city council, that that was not going to happen. And we wanted to make sure that no one would raise it as a defense, meaning that in the future, that New York Waterway would not say that the lease was unenforceable because it had not been approved by the voters. And then lastly, we have an acknowledgement from the city that any future lease of any portion of this parkland that was acquired with open space money would be subject to a referendum by the voters of Hoboken. This latter acknowledgement is extremely important because many of us are fearful that a new administration, after the lease has expired, that the City of Hoboken will not move to evict a New York Waterway, but rather enter into a new lease. And if that is the case, the voters of Hoboken will have a say.